Welcome back again to my channel. So today we are going to be making beans sauce. So I usually make this and put it in my fridge, and then it's easier for me to just kind of like cook a plain beans and then mix it up with it. You guys are going to see what I mean. So here I have my onions. For this particular recipe you will need a whole lot of onions, as much as you can get, because the main thing here is just the onions, basically, and then we have some, just few tomatoes in there, and then the habanero pepper. Of course, if you like your food spicy, if not, you can skip the pepper. So we are going to add this on in our blender, and we are going to blend this up and then get ready for the next step. By the way, if you're new on here, welcome, my love. Welcome back to my channel. And yeah, do go ahead and click on that subscribe button if you have not done that already. You would definitely love it here. I have amazing recipes coming every week, sometimes twice a week, sometimes 3 times a week. So you would definitely love it here. Go ahead and click that red subscribe button and click on the notification bell so you don't miss my next upload. Also, don't forget to share this video, like this video, and leave your comments in the comment section. And as usual, I am going to be leaving everything, details and everything in the description box, so you can always find me there. So in a pot, you want to go ahead and add in your palm oil, and yeah, you're going to add just as much as you want to. Honestly, it does not really have any particular amount, but I'm going to give you guys a kind of like a reference in the description box, just if you're kind of like still clueless about it. And then we're going to wait for that to heat up a bit, and we are going to go ahead and pour in our mixture, our blended mixture. So you see where the onions comes in. So the more the onion you have, the more sauce you are able to make. And then I covered that up to cook for a while. I just kept on checking it and making sure that I stir it to avoid it, to make sure it doesn't burn. And I'm just checking it constantly to make sure, just keep stirring my sauce and just making sure it doesn't burn. Now that I am here, I'm adding some crayfish. I'm going to add some Knorr seasoning, and that's about it. This sauce just does not need too much, but trust me, it tastes amazing. And you guys, this is ready. This is my cooked beans, and I'm going to add my sauce to it and then put the rest. I'm going to refrigerate the rest and keep using it as long as it's still in there, and this saves me time and energy. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll definitely be seeing you guys in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button, comment, and also share this video with your friends and family, and subscribe if you have not done that already. Don't forget to like this video. I'll definitely see you guys in my next one.